In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to assemble the poinsettia design. We have our 7 pieces cut out, 2 gold, 4 red, and 1 green. So the bottom 4, I have my green layer, making sure that the gray lines from are facing down. So there, and I'm going to place the 3 top red ones, make down, lining up the holes so that they're ready to assemble once we get to that point. So just kind of lining up those holes right there and right there. Then I'm going to set these 4 aside for later. And then we're going to get to our top 3 layers. First, we're going to take the small layer and we're going to turn it so that I can see the gray lines right here, which is the back, and I'm going to put the 6 pointed gold layer into the red layer. So the 3 shorter ones are going to go into 3 middle holes, and then I'm just going to go around in every other one. So put in the gold holes. So then I'm going to go through that, through there, and then the longer ones go into the hole that doesn't have the arrow there. So it's going to go between there to put it together. And then just kind of go around putting the gold layer into there. Okay, so once I've gone all the way around, I'm going to turn this over to kind of show what it looks on the other side. I have those layers in. Then we have 3 holes left, and in those I'm going to turn this so I can see the gray line, so that's the back, and I'm going to put those holes, put them into the 3 holes that are remaining. So I'm going to just tuck those in right there and right there. So now I have the top layer open. So I'm going to then fold all of the arrows around like that, folding up. And then once I do that, I'm going to fold over the arrows so that it looks, so that it'll go through those holes better. So I'm just folding over the sides of the arrows so it makes it more like a pointed. Okay, once I've done that, then I'm going to take the first, I'm going to bring in my layers here, and I'm going to turn this over, and I'm going to go through the holes of each of the following ones. So I'm going to go around and go through each hole. I'm going to put 1 layer on at a time. It makes it a lot easier than trying to get them through all the 4 layers. So, alright, so I'm going through all of those 6 holes from that layer there. And once I've done that, so that top layer is on, then I'm going to bring in the next layer. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go through, sometimes it's easier just to turn upside down and just kind of start poking those through, bringing those, each of the arrows through, all the way around. Okay, so then I'm going to bring my next layer, turn it upside so I can see the gray lines, and I'm just going to start bringing those arrows through those holes. I have 1 more left there. Alright, there it it is. Bring it in. There we go. Once I have that, I have one layer left, the green layer. So right now, there's what we're looking at. Now I'm going to add my green layer. I'm going to turn it so it's the gray lines are looking. I'm going to pull those holes, those arrows through. And once I have the arrows through there, then what I do is I open up those arrows like that so that they don't go through. So you unfold them so that they're like that. And that is how to assemble the poinsettia. Let me open that up. And one more to open up. And there we go. And there is our poinsettia. And then you can kind of fold it and make it look nice. So there is the assembling of our poinsettia.